Hi, my name is Sophy Suon. I am an information system manager. Today, I would like to present you about a project of implementation of smart shopping trolley system. In this presentation, I will cover in 5 parts. First, the background information, then resource need, followed by impact when applying this project. Next, cost and benefit, then sensitivity analysis, and finally conclusion and recommendation. In modern society, where people like to go shopping in supermarket, trolleys and baskets are provided for facilitating the customer to store goods they select. It is time consuming for them in terms of looking for products they intend to buy in a like superstore, and they have to proceed with a long queue for billing checkout. To reduce the time consuming of shopping, a smart shopping trolley system has been introduced. It helps customers in shopping, like facilitating them in setting up a plan of shopping, finding product location, scanning product immediately, calculating the accumulated amount of the volume of the products, and generating the bill automatically. Therefore, customer can save time in shopping. When customers go into the supermarket, first of all, they pick up a smart shopping trolley. Then they can activate the trolley by using smart card that they receive after registration. For new customer, no need to activate by card if they have not registered. Just click the start button on the touchscreen. Then they can set a plan of shopping or can select product on the LCD touchscreen. The smart trolley guides the customer to find the products they want. Immediately, customer can scan the products and place them in the trolley. The system records and calculates the amount of volume of goods they has chosen and will display on the screen. So, the customer can reveal that they could control the amount to buy or to go beyond this. After that, when customers want to check out, they can proceed to the checkout counter where the billing unit is placed. The system generates the bill automatically. The payment can be made through the smart card, or customer can pay by credit card or debit card or cash with the billing machine. There are some experiences of implementation of smart shopping trolley in Australia. In 2005, Fujitsu had introduced the intelligent shopping trolley for the first time in Australia. And in 2009, Media Smart Card shopping trolley, which equipped with GPS system, was launched in New South Wales and Australian Capital Territory Super IGA. In 2011, the VIP trolley has been launched in Victoria. About 83% of the customers enjoy shopping with VIP trolley at the first time, said the general manager of VIP Retail. There are 4 elements required for set up the smart shopping trolley system. The first element is hardware integration, which consists of trolley card unit, billing unit, power supply, RFID text and reader, barcode reader, IR sensor, LCD touchscreen, RF module, database storage. The other element is software interface. The software is applied for operating the system. The third wireless communication is the cloud communication network. The last element is the networking database. It's the storage where all relevant data are kept and can be generated as we wanted. Implementation of the project is resulting in the change of both outside and the inside of the company. First, the change of relationship between company and the customer. For the company's benefit is when implementing the project, It is enabled that the company can target customers with relevant offers as they shop. The data from smart trolleys could also be used by retailers to understand better what their customer decide not to buy. For the customer benefit is that customer will enjoy shopping with new technology. They can receive advertisings on screen like new promotion or new offering. They can make order in advance, especially for daily items. They can search for detail of information or product, view amount accumulated. More significantly, they can save time in looking for product they want. They don't need to ask supermarket staff or stay in a long queue for checkout. Then the change inside for the company. By implementing this project does affect the firm's activity in four areas. For human resources, application of new technologies will lead to reduction of counter staff. However, the IT professional may be required to recruit, but the number of the latter is much less than the former. On another hand, training on how to use new technologies is required. For the change in the marketing and sales, the Smart Shopping Trolley project will improve the target advertising through displaying on the screen, like promotions or any offering, and eventually motivating customers to try new products. The remarkable result is that the projected sales will increase. For change in production area is the RFID tags have to be attached on the product label. The change in finance and accounting is that the new investment capital is needed, more maintenance and training expenses are expected. Therefore, the effect of the project will change the new way of shopping, and it can be called revolution of supermarket. Moving on the next part, I would like you to look at cost and benefit. Projected costs cover cost of hardware, software, networking system, installation services, and training fees. The initial investment cost is estimated of $1,447,000. Another cost is the incremental cost of development and maintenance and system maintenance. For the first year, as you can see, it is estimated of $900,000. According to the table, the incremental cost increase every year, around 10 to 15%. Continuing from the last slide, projected benefits can derive from the reduction of general staff, especially the staff from the counter checkout. The number may vary from year to year. For the first year, the company could sell about $1,440,000, and the following years, the savings seems to be decreased since the number of the reduction is less. Another important benefit is increasing in revenues from sales and advertising saving as well. For the first year, it is estimates of $1,050,000, and the subsequent years it will increase around 15 to 18%. Now I would like to move on to the sensitivity analysis. With the discount rate of 10%, the best case shows that the net present value is positive, the payback period is around 2.5 years, the interest rate of return is 29%, with the profitability index is 2.04. Thus, it indicates that the project is acceptable. Besides the best case, there are three scenarios to be considered. The first scenario is when the incremental cost increased by 15%. The second scenario is when the sales revenue dropped by 15%. And the third one is the case of the combination of both scenarios happen. In the first scenario, the IRR remains high, which accounts for 21%, with the payback period is about 3 years, and the NPVs is likely drop compared with the base case. The second scenario is remain good result. The payback period, the profitability index, and IRR are similar to the scenario 1. The worst case is the third scenario, when the NPV is nearly 5 times less than the base case. The IRR is quite low, only 10%, with the payback period is nearly 4 years, and the profitability index is just 1.31. Nonetheless, all cases are acceptable. Although the third scenario is the worst case, the net present value in all cases are positive. In conclusion, it is obvious that the benefits from the projects are overwhelming than the disadvantages. The important benefit is that new technology facilitates both customers and the company. Furthermore, customers will be satisfied because of saving time in shopping. More importantly, the project will increase the share revenue to the firm. However, there are some risks, like an error could occur during the operation, so the maintenance services must be in position all the time. Under the sensitivity analysis, the project is acceptable because in all cases, the net present value are positive, which is proved to create market value for the firm. Additionally, the payback periods are within the convenient times. I strongly recommend that the company should implement this project. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.